Welcome to EDU Aero Classroom. In this tutorial, we will learn or we will see some examples of probability. Now let's do example. 50 seeds were selected at random from each of 5 bags of seeds and were kept under standardized conditions favorable to germination. After 20 days, the number of seeds which has germinated in each collection were counted and recorded as follows. As in bag 1, the number of seeds was 40, 2, 48, in 3, 42, and so on. Then we have to find the probability of germination of more than 40 seeds in a bag, 49 seeds in a bag, and more than 35 seeds in a bag. Now, total number of bags are 5 and number of bags in which more than 40 seeds are germinated out of 50 is 3. So, the probability of germination of more than 40 seeds in a bag is given by 3 by 5, that is equal to 0.6. Now second, number of bags in which 49 seeds are germinated is 0. So, the probability of germination of 49 bags is given by 0 by 5, that is equal to 0. Third is number of bags in which more than 35 seeds are germinated seeds is 5. So, probability is given by is equal to 5 by 5, that is equal to 1. So here we can see probability of an event lies between 0 and 1, that is 0.6, 0 and 1. Now let's do another example. A tire manufacturing company kept a record of distance covered before a tire is needed to be replaced. The table shows the result of 100 cases that less than 4,000 kilometers there are 20 cases, 4,000 to 9,000 kilometers there are 210 cases, and so on. If we buy a tire of this company, what is the probability that first it will need to be replaced before it has to cover 4,000 kilometers. So the total number of trials is 1,000. The frequency of tires that need to be replaced before it covers 4,000 kilometers is 20. So the probability of tires to be replaced before it covers 4,000 kilometers is given by 20 by 1000, that is frequency by total number of trials, that is equal to 0.02. Similarly, the frequency of tire that will last more than 9,000 kilometers is 325 plus 445, that is equal to 770. So the probability of tire will last more than 9,000 kilometers is given by 770 divided by 1000, that is equal to 0.77. Now the frequency of tire to be replaced between 4,000 and 14,000 kilometers is 210 plus 325, that is 210 plus 325, that is equal to 535. So the probability of tire to be replaced between 4,000 and 40,000 is given by 535 divided by 1000, that is equal to 0.535. Now let's see another example. The record of a weather station shows that out of past 250 consecutive days, its weather forecasts were correct 175 times. Then we have to find the probability that on a given day it was correct and it was not correct. First, total number of days for which the record is available is 250 days. Therefore, the probability of the forecast was correct on given day is given by number of days when forecast was correct divided by total number of days for which record is available. So that is equal to 175 divided by 250 is equal to 0.7. Now second is, what is the probability that on a given day it was not correct? Now the number of days it was not correct is 250 minus number of days it correct, so it is 75 days. So the probability of forecast was not correct of a given day is equal to number of days it was not correct divided by total number of days for which the record is available, that is equal to 0.3. Notice that probability of forecast was correct on given day plus probability of forecast was not correct on given day is equal to 1.